Hey guys, welcome back to the Money City, where our sun is always shining and our money is always growing. I am the Money Queen. I know all about money, how it's made, where it's stored, how to make some more, and even how to lose it. But I never lose mine. Hey guys, you need to be careful with that. Sorry about the noise. We are changing our ATM machines in the city and bringing in new ones, which is so exciting. So it's been a bit of a racket here. I can't wait to try out the new machines. Exciting. Anyways, do you know what an ATM machine is? No? Well, I would love to tell you what it is. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. An ATM machine is a banking machine that allows people to take out money from their bank accounts and perform other transactions using a special card called an ATM card. The ATMs are usually found built into the walls of the banking building or other buildings around. ATMs are pretty easy to use. All you need to know is how it works. The ATM machine has a screen where everything you are doing shows up. Underneath it, there is a keypad for you to punch in numbers, and beside it, there is a slot where you put in your ATM card. There is a lot that goes on when you slot in the ATM card, but I will try to make it as short as possible. If you look closely at your ATM card, you will see that there is a black strip on the back of the ATM. This strip is what helps the machine recognize that a card has been slotted in. When the card goes into the machine, the ATM machine begins to check and make sure that the card is not fake, after which it checks to make sure that the PIN you put in is correct. When the machine verifies that your PIN is correct, it sends a signal to your bank. The bank then confirms if you have enough money to withdraw or not. Then it sends a signal back to the ATM machine telling them whether you have the money or you don't. The money in an ATM machine is stored in the vault. Once the signal comes in from the bank, the vault will release the amount of money that you have asked for. The money now begins to make its way to you. But just before it comes out to you, it must pass two major tests: the height test and the realness test. The height test is when the machine will measure the height of the money that is stacked together and ensure that it is not higher than the amount you wanted. If it is higher, it will check to make sure that some bills have not stuck themselves together. If it is normal, then it will pass the money bills over to be scanned and checked for realness. The scanner checks to make sure the money is real. If it finds fake bills, it sends them to be destroyed. If the money is real, the money then comes out for you to use. When your money comes out, the ATM will also print a receipt slip for you, indicating how much you withdrew and what you have left in your account. You can use ATMs to make transfers, pay bills, and even deposit money, although not all ATM machines have that function. I have to go really soon, guys, so I just want to tell you quickly how you can use an ATM. So once you get to the ATM, slot in your card and wait a bit. You will be asked to punch in your 4-digit secret number. After you do that, wait a bit. The screen will then give you options of what kind of account you have. Pick the kind of account you have and wait again. The ATM will then ask you to punch in how much you want to withdraw. Once you do that, you wait again. The ATM will ask you whether you would like a receipt for your transaction or not. You can decide to say yes or no depending on what you want. Then you wait patiently and your money will slide out of the machine. And that is it. It's similar if you want to make a transfer. You just slide in your ATM card and follow the commands on the screen. I have to really go and check what they are doing now because the noise is becoming too much. It was a pleasure having you here today. Until next time, let's money away. Bye.